If your Tapo C500 doesn't record any videos, then you can move to the Tapo app and select your camera from the list right here. Now, if we move to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, you can check the storage and recording. And then if your local recording is turned off like this, that means you need to insert a SD card in your camera, and you can do it by flipping a gimbal up. Then there's the hatch right here that you just need to pull open, and then there's a slot where you can insert SD card. And I've made a dedicated video on how to insert that card, so if you're not sure how to do it, then you can watch it. Also, if your device is not recording and your local storage is local recording is activated, you might need to format your SD card, as maybe it ran out of space. So you can click on local storage and then you'll be able to format your SD card, but all of the files will be removed, so make sure to back them up.